Good morning to all. Today we are beginning our fourth chapter, the articles. You may heard about the articles in your previous classes. Here we are going to learn it in detail. There are three articles in English. They are a, an, and the. They belong to a large grammatical class called determiners. Example, I want to buy a shirt. Can I have an egg for breakfast? Please pass me the salt. Articles are of two kinds, definite article and indefinite article. We can divide the articles according to their use into two types, definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite article. A and an are known as indefinite articles because these do not point out to any specific point or thing, but talks of things in general. A and an are the indefinite articles because they do not point out any specific things, but talks of things in general. Example, there is a car near the gate. Please send me an email about your plans. In each case, the articles a and an do not specify which car or which email is being spoken about. Definite article. The is known as the definite article. It points to a particular or specific person or thing. Example, this is the house I live in. The wall around the garden is quite high. Here, the house is a specific one, the house that the speaker lives in. Also, the wall is built around a specific garden. Hence, the definite article the is used. The indefinite articles a and an. A and an are used before singular countable nouns. Examples, a chair, a bird, an orange, an enemy. A is used before a word beginning with consonant sound. You may be familiar with the vowel sounds. The remaining sounds are called consonants. So the article A is always used before a consonant sound. Example, a towel, a pen. We also say a university, a union, a European. Here, though the words university, union and European starts with the vowel letters, these letters have a consonant sound Y. Hence, the article A is used. An is used before singular countable nouns that begin with the vowel sounds. We already told A we are using before consonant sound. Here an we are using before vowel sounds. Example, an apple, an egg. If the word begins with an unsounded H, an is used. If the word is beginning with letter H, but if it is silent, we can use an before it. Example, an hour, an honorary degree, etc. Before abbreviations, where first letter is pronounced beginning with a vowel sound, an is used. Abbreviations means short forms. Before abbreviations, where first letter is pronounced beginning with a vowel sound, we can use an before it. Examples, an MP, an MBA. Uses of the indefinite articles a and an. Now we are going to see where we can use the indefinite articles a and an. A or an is used first before singular countable nouns mentioned in a general sense to mean any one of its kind. We can use a or an before a singular countable nouns mentioned in a general sense. Example, please get me a new pen. Anil is a banker. Secondly, we can use a or an before a singular countable noun mentioned for the first time. If we are mentioning a singular countable noun for the first time, we can use a or an before it. For examples, I have never seen a partridge. I saw a tiger in the jungle today. Thirdly, we can use a or an before an expression of quantity. If you are telling something about quantity, you can use a or an before it. Example, a couple, a dozen. Next, we can use a or an before units of price, speed, ratio, weight, etc. Example, a liter, a kilo, 100. We can use a or an before certain numbers, a billion, 1,000 rupees. We can use a or an with a half when half follows a whole. We can use a or an before half when it follows a whole number, 1.5. We can use a or an in expressions of frequency, twice a day, thrice a month. We can use a or an in certain exclamatory expressions. What a pity, what a beautiful shot. Next, we are moving to the first exercise of this lesson. Before beginning, take out your pencil and be ready. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. We have to use a or an to fill the following blanks. Remember, before vowel sounds, we are using an. Before consonant sound, we are using a. Now, begin your work. Here are the answers. First, Madhav is an honest man. Second, iron is a metal. Third, he is studying to be an engineer. 4. Aladdin found a magic lamp. 5. We need nails and a hammer. 6. Sri Lanka is an island. 7. A European and an American were traveling together. 8. Do we need to take an umbrella? 9. She bought a pen, an eraser, and a marker. 10. An owl flew in through my window. Now take out your notebook, copy this exercise neatly to your notebook.